Have you been waiting that interview for a very long time? Well, watch this video till the end. It might be of help for you to get that elusive one. Welcome guys, it's me, Money Mine. Today, let's talk about job hunting. So how can we hunt like a job hopper? Finding jobs as easy as 1, 2, 3. I've been to job market as well for several times. In fact, since I graduated in 2008, I already had 6 companies in just 2 years until I went to Saudi Arabia, go back to the Philippines, go to Saudi Arabia again, and here now in Canada. In just my 3 years, would you believe that I've been working for 12 companies since graduation in just a span of 10 years? What happened, right? So actually, there are a lot of factors. Maybe it includes the salary, it includes as well the attitude of the boss, attitude of me, and the loss of patience actually. What are we going to talk today are my classified ways on how I'm able to get that job before. Landing from one job to another in an average of 3 to 6 months. So are you ready? Let's get it rolling! So first of the classified ways is begin with the end in mind. It means that you have to condition yourself, believing each day that you can have a call. You can have a call back from hiring managers, because it is very important to prepare yourself, to condition your mind. Remember that what you conceive, you can achieve. Second, eliminate that greed mindset. Mortal sin, guys, is you won't apply to any job boards or to any agencies because believing that these agencies could earn because of you. Remember that the world must be all around within mutualism, a reciprocal theory. If you benefit on me, I will also benefit on you. If I give you food, you have to give me money or services, right? So apply to any agencies, guys, because these agencies, headhunters, can help you land a job easily. In fact, my first job when I was 21, a fresh graduate from the University of Perpetual Health, my job is from an agency. Then going to Saudi Arabia, of course, we're all under it. And of course, going to Saudi Arabia, we need an agency who helped me a lot actually, and at the start where my life changed from a career perspective, from a grasshopper to an adult one, to have a permanent job. And also going to Canada, my first job also is coming from these agencies. So they helped me create my resume in a Canadian standard. They also helped me prep for my interview. So I am really glad that I met those agencies, those headhunters who helped me land a job here and abroad. So guys, remove that selfishness mindset. You have to go to these agencies, to these headhunters, because actually they are great help. Like what I said earlier to myself, right? I practice this and believe me, it works. Number 3, guys, the important, planning. Remember that failure to plan is planning to fail. Always have a plan each day to have at least 20 applications. It's online anyway, isn't it? So, if you can do it to 50 applications every day, then do it. The more interest you send, the more chances of winning. Number 4, your resume. What I mean, guys, is you have to tailor your resume for each job application. Remember that you're advertising yourself and you have to stand out among those candidates. Impress that hiring managers who would like to see if you are the best fit for their company starting from day 1. Okay? Do not worry that, oh, what if I can't do this job? There will be training there. Your superior or somebody that you will be replacing will help you. Follow this one. Just cross that bridge when you get there. Having a general resume, guys, is not bad. But believe me, tailoring your resume can increase your chance of having a callback exponentially. I've been doing this, so it's not a big deal if you will copy everyone. The world is about copy. Number 5. Apply to many job boards as much as you can. Guys, we are living on this era where technology made our life so easy. So, don't be lazy, don't be tired of going to these job boards like JobStreet, Indeed, LinkedIn, because you don't know where you can find that golden opportunity, right? Number 6. Speaking of LinkedIn, which pave way to our next tip. Activate that free trial of LinkedIn Premium. It actually, guys, helped me here in Canada. When I apply here for my third job, I activate that free trial and I got a job in less than a week. Got that interview when I activate my LinkedIn Premium in just 2 weeks, and then I got a job after that one. So that's free anyway. Activate that one. But remember, guys, that this video of mine, that these tips of mine, this program is not being sponsored by anyone. Number 7. Search the leading recruiters or headhunters on your area. That's also my secret, guys. I search it in Google. What are the leading or the number 1 or the top 10 recruiters in Canada, in Toronto? And then I went to their website on a daily basis and look if there's an opening that fits for my position, to my level. And then here we go. I had my first agency. My second employment here is through also an agency. And I'm very glad with them because they gave me a living. My third job, like I said earlier, I got it from the free trial of LinkedIn. Number 8. Know your value. At this moment, you have to select or any expectation of salary level in the job boards. Do not expect too much because, guys, actually looking for a job, it's also a competition. You're fighting to any candidates out there, and I believe in this. The person with the lower price wins. Remember the law of demand and supply. If you have the leverage, that is, you have work, and this company is very desperate in getting you to be with their team, and then you can demand a higher salary. Number 9. Persistence. I love this character, guys, and I'm using it since day 1 of my job search. In Philippines, it's really hard to find that first interview, to have that first job, because as a fresh graduate, you will really experience hard work. I think I have 10 interviews before I got that one that I finally land a job. So what I mean is, if anything not worked as planned, do not stop. Never surrender. The game is not yet over. Number 10. The most important one. Repeat the process. Strive to be a winner. You won't be a winner if you will not willing to repeat the process each day. Every failure is the means to success. So guys, that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next week where I will tackle the 7 things to do before investing. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss on my next video.